Hi, I'm Kelly from Memory Bound, and we're back with another Minute Maid card. And today we're going to show you how to make this pop-up card. And it's super simple because we are using the Maker Series pop-up card bases from PhotoPlay. And I'll show you how they work. For our first card, because we are celebrating Lemon Days right now at Memory Bound, we're going to use product from the Simple Stories Lemon Twist collection. Pop-up cards come in A2 and they come in a number 6 slimline. Today we're going to use the A2, but keep in mind the slimline for another fun size and shape. The pop-up card kit, you're going to get enough product to make 6 cards. So you're going to have 6 card bases that are A2 size, and you're going to have 6 of these little pop-ups. We're going to start out by putting score tape on our pop-up piece. And I'm using a 1/4 inch score tape that seems to fit really well. You could use liquid glue if you want. And we're putting the score tape on the outside section on both the right side and the left side. Then take your card base and you're going to fold it and give it a good crease with a scoring tool. I'm just going to do a blank card just to show you how easy and smooth this works. I've got the score tape on both of my outside pieces, and you can see I've got a double score line here on the right and a single one here on the left. Wherever you want your pop-up to be, I'm going to line that up. I'm going to put it about in the middle and pull your card up like this. You don't want to go over the crease line. So I lay that there, I'm pulling off the backing of my score tape, and then I just close my card. And then I open it up and I'm going to fold it back on this second score line. Right there. And I'm going to peel this off, and this time I'm going to close the back of the card. And look at there. Look how easy that was. Okay, let's do it again now with a real card. I have our score tape on our little pop-up piece, and then what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my background paper on the inside of my card. And I am using the little bees here. They're so cute, and that's from the Lemon Twist collection. I've already put some background paper on the inside of my card. That's optional. If you want to do it, you sure can. You don't have to do it. And then I'm going to put my piece here, like we just showed you. I'm peeling off this backing of my score tape, and then I'm going to close the front of my card, put a little pressure down. When I open it, I'm just going to fold that a little bit. And then I'm folding back on the second score line here, and I'm going to peel back this piece. Now the first time we folded the front closed, now we're going to take the back and fold it closed. And give it a few little creases here. And we've got our pop-up piece. I didn't have to do any measuring. Everything came in my pop-up card kit, and it's 2 pieces. A black gingham, black and white check gingham on the front. I've got this cute little cut apart. I've matted on some yellow paper that says be sweet and be kind. I put some foam dots on it so I can pop it up here on the front of my card. Just like so. There's these little bees in the ephemera pack that I thought were really cute, and I'm adding those to the front of my card also. Then on the inside, on my pop-up, I'm going to take this little phrase that says thank you for being so sweet from the ephemera, and I'm going to put it onto this black polka dot here, and I'm going to attach that right on there. Now I'm going to use score tape on there because I want to get it really good and starred. And I know this card is going to get opened and closed a lot because it's going to be so fun when you do so. And I'm going to stick that right there and put right here. Here's my card. It says be sweet, be kind. It pops open and it says thanks for being so sweet. Okay, now we're going to make another one, but instead of being a vertical card, this time we're going to make it horizontal. Just to shake it up, do something a little different. I'm folding it over on the score line. Everything is pre-scored on these cards. And on the inside of my card, I'm going to use this yellow gingham. I've got my piece here with my score lines, my pop-up piece. You could use 3/8 inch score tape on here, and that would work very nice. 1/2 inch score tape is just a little bit too wide. We are going to lay this right here up against the fold, and we're going to peel off this first piece of score tape, and we're going to close our card, and then we're going to open it back up. I'm just giving that little score line there a little crease, and then we're folding back on the second score line here on this side. peeling back our tape. Now we're going to take the back of our card and close it. The first time we closed it with the front of our card, now we're going to close it with the back of our card. And then after I do that, I just give everything kind of a good crease. And there's our mechanism. This one I took a 6x4 cut apart from the paper, and I roughed it up on the edges with my scissors. Give it a different look. And then I'm going to take a little bit of brown ink and go along that edge. A little bit of yellow twine along this bottom line. This is ready to lay right on the front of the card. It says, "Thanks for being so sweet." Be a landscape pop-up instead of a vertical pop-up. This piece was actually blank, so I took the Sizzix stamp set and I stamped "So Very Thankful." I'm going to stick this right on here. And then I want to add a couple little decorative pieces. So I'm going to put this here. And this is more of the ephemera from the collection pack. And then I've got a little butterfly here to stick on there. So I had a cut apart, and then I've got a few pieces of ephemera. And I had another butterfly that I'm going to put right here. That brings the whole butterfly scene together. So this card we made using ephemera and cut aparts. And isn't that just really super cute? I love it. So we've done a vertical card, we've done a horizontal card with the lemon twist. Now we're going to do a patriotic card. Patriotic card, we're going to use the collection called America from Echo Park. And it's got a sticker sheet. I'm using these cut aparts, the 3x4 cut aparts. And it's got a paper with these really fun paper rosettes on a wood background, and it's got banners on the back. So that is America from Echo Park. We go. We've made a 4th of July card, and when you open it, it pops up and says "Celebrate Independence Day." Thanks for joining us for another Minute Maid card here at Memory Bound in Ankeny, Iowa. I hope you give the pop-up cards a try, and we'll see you next time.